Okay, so I found that and this not die.
All right.
Mama, I got you one that.
Whoa. Sorry.
There's a fish sticking out right there. You see him?
What's that? I thought I saw something. Okay. Oh, there's a little fish. Yeah, fishy, fishy. Whoa. Wow. Oh, look at them. Sorry. Sorry. Wow. Seahorse. Wow.
I don't know. That's a tree.
Wowee.
We probably have to find that on Nature Walk. Yeah, what?
Okay. Okay, here's the environmentally friendly lighting. All right, start with this one. All right. Okay, okay. Here's more turtle-friendly lighting. All right, let's start with these because yeah. All right, now the good. Whoa. Oh. Hey, where'd he go? There he is. There's some more fishes. Whoa. Mr. Ray.
It's right here.
Wow. Whoa.
I got him.
Sorry. Whoa. That's a big fish. Hey, look, it's crushed the turtle. Cowabunga, dude. Wow. There's so many of these. Whoa. Wow. I have to admit, this is really nice. Look at that. Sorry.
Of all the sea turtles.
Hey, there it is. There's a turtle. There's some fish. Wow. 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 I'm sorry. Wow. That's a lot.